Hi everyone, I'm Avik from compliancetalks.in. In this video, you can easily learn how to apply for the claim in Atal Bimit Vyakti Kalyan Yojana. In this video, you can also see the new relaxation, the new notification from ESIC for the period of 24th March 2020 to 31st December 2020. In this video, you can see the 6 point like introduction, what do you mean by the Atal Bimit Vyakti Kalyan Yojana, what is the eligibility, what is the disqualification, and how to claim. Let's move for the Twitter handle notification from the ESIC. In this notification, you can easily see what are the parameters are there. Actually, ESIC members who lost their jobs to the COVID pandemic to get the maximum 90 days unemployment allowance to the extent of 50% of the average per day earning. Okay, so for that you have to only unemployment for 30 days, minimum 30 days, not less than 30 days. If you are unemployment less than 30 days, you are not eligible for this allowance. Okay, you can easily see the how to calculate the payment and what are the maximum limit. The maximum limit is the 90 days unemployment allowances. The insured person should have been in the insurable employment for the minimum period of 2 years immediately before her unemployment. He should have contributed for not less than 78 days in the contribution period immediately preceding to the unemployment, and the minimum 78 days in the one of the remaining 3 contribution periods in 2 years prior to the unemployment. Also see, insured person can submit the online claim directly to the ESIC branch office instead of to the claim being forwarded by the last employer, and the payment shall be made directly to their bank account of IP within 15 days after all the documentation. Documentation list will be uploaded in my blog www.compliancetalks.in. You can easily find this documentation list. If you talk about the disqualification, you have to please note down the point number 8, dismissal and termination. For this allowance, you have to carry your experience letter. If you don't have any experience letter, you can't apply for the same. Okay, this is a calculation for the relief amount. The illustration is given by ESIC. You can easily see the contributed period and what is the calculation formula. The total of the 2 year salary into 50% into 90 days divided by 730 days into 100. Okay, for sake of knowledge, you can easily calculate the unemployment allowances through the contributions by this formula. Okay, if you go through the payment mode is online. Okay, if your employer didn't update your bank account details, don't worry about that. And this notification point number K, the mode of payment is already stated that if you don't have employed in this database, your bank details not found, that you have to submit your cancel check or passbook with ESIC. Okay, let's go for the eligibility criteria. How can we check the eligibility? Please log in ESIC employee portal. You can easily see the tab Atal Bimit Kalyan Yojana tab. There is a tab. Okay, please click on that. You can see you are eligible if the from date and to date is pop up. Okay, if the from date and to date is not pop up, that's when you are not eligible. You can see the one of the employee not eligible benefit under this unemployment yojana. Okay, This is a very very important point for the claim process. Claim cannot be created for the part of the month, okay, irrespective of the start date of the unemployment. To the generate the claim for the period of unemployment, from date should be the first day of the month and the to date should be the last date of the month. Both cases and the both these dates must have been between the period of unemployment to become eligible. Okay, please put first day of the month and last day of the month. Okay, so let's see how we calculate. You can see the calculation sheet. I will make another video on this topic, how to calculate the allowances. Please go for the claim process. You can click on that Atal Bimit Yojana tab and put the first day of month after unemployment. Okay, and put the last. You can't enter the future date. For that you have to put the last date of the month, because the software is already calculate the first date and last date between your unemployment. Okay, like that you have to download. After submit you have to download the claim form. In this form you can write down your bank account number and your IFSC code, okay, branch name, and read carefully all the declaration, and you have to print it out on the 20 rupees non-judicial stamp paper with the notarized. Okay, you have to sign your form and put it your address. Form AB2 is not mandatory for this relaxation period. Okay, please read out the instruction, and if you have a query about the e-stamping, you can easily find a website, Stockholding Corporation of India. You can see only e-stamping is available only the Delhi, Jharkhand, Gujarat, Chandigarh, Chhattisgarh, Himachal Pradesh, Ladakh and Orissa. Okay, for that I will make another video on that. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.